These figs are budding out. You see that one is budding out. Not sure about that one, but this one is definitely dead. There is nothing on it, so that one is dead. But these ones, obviously that's budding out, so obviously that's taken well. This one is just starting to, and it looks like it's coming up, so that one's alright. This one is showing signs of life, so yeah, I'm happy with that one. These ones, same, showing signs of life, so that's not a bad rate of return for those fig cuttings. One definite dead one, but I can live with that, and hopefully the others will be okay. By contrast, the ones that are left outside, this one might be, but the others are showing no activity, but they're being outside in the cold, whereas the others are in the greenhouse, so they're getting a bit more heat. But even if none of these come up, that doesn't matter, because it looks like I've got at least one fig coming up, which is all I need. I shall christen my new potting bench by potting up these figs. Right, well, this has come out quite strongly. These other two are showing signs of life, so what I'm going to do is put them up into bigger pots. I was just putting in this compost that was used for peppers last year, so what I'll do is just refresh it. It's got a few roots in there, but it's also got worms and things in there, so they'll sort it out. Yeah, there's a few little bits like that, but that'll come out. It's a seed or something. Looks like a chestnut seed or something. I would have normally used fish blood and bone, but I'm trying to use up that big bag of commercial fertiliser that I don't want to throw away, so I thought, well, I might as well use it. It won't do any harm to the figs, so I'll add a bit of that to it, and then we'll take a look at the figs. Would have been easy to add this to the pot, but it doesn't matter. Take that out of the way for a second. This fertiliser was in the shed. Previous tenants didn't want it, and I thought, well, it's not organic, but it's usable, so I'll use it. Right, so let's get a good look at the fig roots. Right, I think I wasn't recording when I did this one, so I'll show you this one. That one had decent roots on it. This one has got tiny little roots on it, so I'm going to put these up anyway and see what happens. But this one is definite. It had nice roots on it. Unfortunately, I don't think I recorded that. And I'm not going to dig it up again because those roots are small and fragile, so I don't want to mess with it. So I'm going to be planting it same depth as it was. Now they'll sit in the greenhouse for a few more days, because obviously they've been in the greenhouse all this time over winter, so I don't want to pot them up and chuck them out into the cold, so they'll sit in the greenhouse for a few more days and then they can go out. So I think I'll leave the ones, because I was keen to see how they were doing, because I thought, oh, they might have big roots and get tangled up, but they haven't, because this one was growing so well. I thought, oh, it must have massive roots, but it didn't. So I thought, well, I'll dig it out before all the roots get tangled up, but I don't think I needn't have worried about that. So that's another one, and let's put that one in. And this is one I'm a bit dubious about, because it's only got that little bit of green. It's obviously still going. It's got a little bit of green there, it's got a little bit of green there, so it's showing signs of life, but the roots are really tiny, so I'm not holding out much hope for this one, but we'll put it in and see what happens. That's what gardening's about. Most of the time you do things to see what happens. Hopefully these will get going, and we'll see. So I'll just give them a good drink, and that's it, that's them sorted.